Welcome to the thermal conductivity simulation. Select the Begin button to start the simulation. Observe and note the appearance and temperature of the substances in the container. The material on the far right side of the screen is an unknown substance that must be later identified. The unknown material may be one of the other 6 materials used or a different substance not tested in this experiment. Select the Add Hot Water button to place hot water inside the container. Observe and note the temperatures of the substances after the hot water is fully added to the container and the ID code appears. Note and record the ID code presented on screen for identification of the far right substance in the container. Select the New Sample button on the bottom of the screen to repeat the experiment using a different unknown sample.